Hello, this is Purva from AnyWare Systems, and today I'll be demonstrating to you the Asset Management AnyWare system. So with the help of this system, we're able to increase our quality, speed, and results, and at the same time also reduce our costs. So we can use the AnyWare Asset Management system in all different types of industries such as import and export, healthcare, as well as manufacturing, retail, and even travel and hospitality. So we also have a preventive maintenance module available in the system to better handle some of our preventive maintenance and other maintenance requirements. So the system also consists of a predictive maintenance module. And now I'll move on to the demonstration of the AnyWare Asset Management System.
It is a web-based system and can be accessed from any web browser after deploying it onto your cloud or on-premise server. In addition, it is a permission-based system, so not everyone can see everything in the system. You can connect to what you're supposed to based on your position, profession, department, and group. So after logging into the system, you can also find the dashboard on your home page.
So the dashboard helps you keep track and monitor the performance and KPIs of your company. And these also include interactive widgets. So for example, we can use the design tool up here to customize this dashboard the way that you want to by adding or removing any of the widgets that you do not require. And just to show you how interactive these widgets are, on our left here, we have a company list. So if I were to choose a different company, if I were to choose, let's say this company right here, as you can see, the data on the other widgets changes according to the company that we choose. And you can also export this to an Excel or a PDF file. On our top left here, we have the main menu of the system where we have the four main modules, which includes the asset module, maintenance, material, and personnel. So in the asset module, we can better handle our assets such as any machine, buildings, and equipment. So we have this map here. So with the help of this map, we can find the real-time location of your moving asset with the integration with the GPS device that is equipped on the moving asset for maintenance purposes. And also in this, we have a graphical asset tree. So we have in this graphical asset tree, we can upload the blueprint or floor plan of your facility to the system. And you can pinpoint the location of your fixed asset, and you can have an overview of your asset on this graphical asset tree. And if we come back here into our assets, we also have some reports that are available. So the system consists of all different types of reports. We have asset status history report, asset status report, along with some others. And then next we have our maintenance module. Here we can file a work request. Let's say if there's any unplanned breakdown, the operator of the asset can file a work request. And as you can see here, we have the work request with the unique work order number along with the informed date and some other required information that is related to the request. And all the requests will be pulled to the work order pool. And this is where we can actually plan the start and end date along with the materials involved and the work steps and costs that are involved. We're better able to see them in this particular list. And next, we also have our materials module. But before that, we also have some reports that are available here in this maintenance module. So some analysis reports, some shifts report, and some cost reports as well. And let's move on to our materials module, where we can better handle some of our materials. And all materials we recorded with the unique code, a description, and total quantity, along with some other information. And then we also have our material transactions here to better keep track of all the transactions of our materials and spare parts. And we also have some other reports that are available in this module, such as a warehouse transactions report and a warehouse summary report. And lastly, we have our personnel module where we can better handle our resources, such as our employees with the specific code description, the work type, along with the work type description and the team description as well. And with that, this concludes my demonstration today on the Asset Management AnyWare system.
Thank you for watching.